Hola Samantha. So I'm going to do this quick little demo to show you how to get into the Adobe Connect meeting room for the website group. So logging into my.nmsu.edu and clicking on Learn so that Canvas opens up is the first step. As you can see, it's loading. The browser that you should use, I think works the best, is Chrome. And you should have had an invitation here to accept. And when you click on that accept, it should take you into the course. I'm going to move that over a little bit so we have full screen. So now I'm going to click here and my courses come up. And I know I have a lot of courses and I'm going to have to use all courses to get to the bottom because that's naturally. That's where my Susie's Playground is because that's just a development, so you aren't going to see any student information. And when you're in Susie's Playground, I know that you are added to the course because you have accepted the invitation and you have both as a teaching assistant and a teacher. That said, you would click on Adobe Connect. Now, I haven't made this menu that accessible, but there's Adobe Connect and the course meetings comes up, and here's the NMSU website group meeting room. Now there's no invitation, you just click join because you're automatically in the course, you automatically have access to this meeting room, which is just going to remain open. And I click on join. And then I am now, Adobe Connect is opening and I am in there as a host, and I believe you will come in as a host because you're a teacher. And we did do some screen sharing, but that is how you actually will be able to access this meeting room, which is a standing meeting room. And with that, I'm going to stop this video and we can practice on Thursday.